Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can add a VPN network with your Windows. So maybe you watched one of our videos about how we can add a VPN, but in this video I'm going to show you a tactic that's going to work with any kind of Windows. So not only with Windows 11, because we made this video only dedicated to Windows 11. So this is going to work with others. So make sure you find this network icon on the desktop, and for any kind of Windows, for older version of Windows, so you are going to right click, go to properties. And let me tell you, this is not the same VPN that we use on the web. So this is a different one. This is the VPN server that we are going to use it locally. So this is not locally that we are going to use it in our office. It could be outbound, like we are going to use this for a country base out of the country. So that's why this is not the same VPN. It's a virtual private network, but it's a local virtual private network, which is going to call ourselves VPN. So we're going to set up a new connection or network. As you can see, we have this connect to a workplace or a VPN. So we're going to select this one, click next. Now, as you can see, we have already one connection that we already made with this PC, because we made a video and we add a VPN connection for Windows 11. So this is for the older version. So we are going to click next. As you can see, two option is going to show up here. One is dial directly. So we have no service that we could dial directly. So the first one is we have this use my internet connection VPN. So we are going to use this because the internet provider is going to provide us public IP address, so it helps us to connect from the from main office to branch office. So this is the remote office, and we want to connect to main office and somewhere else, and we are going to use the public IP address from your service provider or from your internet. So we're going to select this one. So now, as you can see, we need to type the IP address of the public IP. So we are going to type like 120.89.67.54, and we are going to type the destination name like main office. As you can see, this, remember, my credentials already checked, so we don't want to change anything, and also we don't want to allow other people to use this connection, or we don't want to use a smart card. So we are going to click create. So here we can find it simply. We are going to click at change adapter settings. As you can see, the main office is going to show up here. So if I want to connect that, simply I'm going to right click, and here we are going to click connect. As you can see, for Windows 11 it's going to show up just right here. So let me show you. When I click on the Wi-Fi, so here is the VPN. So as you can see here, we have this hub and main office. So when you're going to click on main office, simply you're going to click connect. So it's going to find the IP address, then it's going to require the username. So we are going to give this username, and also it's going to require the password that you're going to type. Then you're going to click OK, and it's going to verify, and it's going to connect to that remote site. So also let me show you, if I right click, I can go to this properties. I can set this as a default, or if this connection is after, it's going to connect it to that remote site. So simply you are going to right click on status, and you can see the status, the IP address that you are going to get from there, and the service that you are going to get from that remote VPN server. So you can check all the status from here. So now let me go to properties and show you that we can change the IP address and also dial another connection first. If I select this one, so first it's going to use this hub VPN connection, then it's going to use that. But if I uncheck this, so only this connection is going to work when we want to connect to the remote VPN server. And also if I click on the options tab, As you can see, we have this idle time before hanging, so we can change that to 4 hours, 10 minutes, 1 minute, or by default it's never. So as you can see, we have this PPP settings. If your VPN server is provide like enable software compression or negotiate multi-link for single link connection, so you're going to check this one. So it's depend on the service of the VPN that you're going to configure for your main branch. So that's why you can change the setting based upon the settings of your VPN server. So if I go to this security type, as you can see, we can change the type of this VPN. Like I can go to with this point-to-point tunneling protocol. So again, I'm going to say this that this is depend on the service that the VPN server is going to configure. So the service is going to provide according to that you're going to give this information. So if your VPN is configured with PPTP, so you're going to select this one. If it configured with a layer 2 tunneling protocol, or if it's configured with this SSTP, which is secure socket tunneling protocol, this is all the VPN tunneling or the VPN encryption type that we have, that we are going to use for communication between the VPN. So you're going to select that. If you click automatic, so automatically it's going to select. So according to this type of this protocols, when you're going to select, the encryptions also going to change. So if I select this layering tunneling protocol, this is one of the really secure, and also this SSTP is also secure, and the type of the encryption is really different for each protocols. That when you're going to select like point-to-point tunneling protocol, the encryption is going to show up something like different. So here when you click automatic, so as you can see, also for authentication we can change, and also for allow these protocols, if I click this one, so this is going to allow this EAP or MSC HAP version 2 will be used. So I can check this one. As you can see, when I'm going to check this one, along with this these option is going to show up like this encrypted password, this challenge handshake authentication protocol, this Microsoft chat. So still I'm saying this, that if your server is configured with these encryption or protocols, according to that you're going to select your protocols and also encryption. And also if I click advanced setting, as you can see, we can change this layer 2 tunneling protocol, or this IKE version 2, which we can set this network outage time as well. So let me go to this networking tab. As you can see, for networking tab we can statically assign IP address for version 4 or version 6. If your VPN is still configured with version 6, so you're going to configure that. But if it's configured with TCP version 4, simply you are going to click at this, and you can give it a static IP for each client that wants to connect it to your VPN server. As you can see, we have this sharing tab, which is already available with other connection as well. We can easily check this, allow other network users to connect through their computer internet connection, and also we can use one of these connection to share internet to that connection as well. Like when we are going to connect it to that VPN, so we want to share the internet connection to, like for this Wi-Fi or for Ethernet, so we are going to select this one, and we are going to check this allow other networks. So this internet connection or service which we connected is going to share to this Ethernet adapter as well. So this is how we add VPN connection with our Windows, and hope this really help you in setting your remote connection and VPN connection in your remote client. And if you think this video is really help you in your work, in your office, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also if you want to stay tuned about our future videos, hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys until next video.